This video covers the calling basics, which include placing a call, answering a call, placing the call on hold, call waiting, and then ending a call. When placing a call, we recommend you dial the number first and then choose your calling method. This is much like how you would use your cell phone by dialing and then pressing send. You can dial your call using your call lists, your contact directory, or by typing in the number using the dial pad. Please note that when dialing a call outside of your organization and your VDNA network, you do not need to dial a 9 for an outside line. You can simply dial the number you need to reach. Like a cell phone, you do not need to dial a 1 before the area code either, though it is okay to do so. If you mistype a number, the rightmost soft key will show 2 arrows pointing to your left. This acts like a delete key, so you can edit the number you are dialing. Next, choose your calling method. You can press the dial button, lift the handset, or turn on your headset or the speakerphone. Once you place your call, the line key will light up in green to indicate a call is in progress, and your call duration is monitored through a call timer on the display. When calling internally to another phone in your organization and part of your VDNA network, you can just dial the extension. Often, this is a 5-digit number, but check with your system administrator to be sure. If you are receiving a call, you will see the line key flash in green, and the available caller ID information will appear on the display to help you decide if you want to answer. You can answer the phone in the traditional way by picking up the handset. You can also activate the speakerphone or your headset. When you have an incoming call, you will also notice your soft keys change. To silence the ringtone, choose Ignore. It will eventually roll into your voicemail. If you want to send your caller immediately to voicemail, you can choose the More soft key and then the Reject soft key. But if you want to answer the call, choose the Answer soft key, which will accept the phone call and will default to speakerphone. You can lift the handset to switch to handset mode if you do not want to remain on speaker. While on an active call, you can press the hold button to put your caller on hold. While on hold, your callers will hear music. This is important to remember on a conference call because your music will be heard by everyone and may disrupt the call. You will also notice the line key will flash in red to remind you that you have someone on hold. When you are ready to remove the caller from hold, either press the hold button again or press the resume soft key. If you are on a call and receive a second call, the caller ID information of the new call will also appear on the display. You will see the same soft key choices, Ignore, Answer, and Reject, so you can choose the appropriate action. When you answer, it works like traditional call waiting, so it will automatically put the first call on hold. To switch between the two calls, use the arrows of your display control keys. Your display will show which call you have selected. The new call becomes number 1 of 2, and the original call is 2 of 2. And you see the caller ID information of each call. The soft key options apply to whichever call is selected. To return to the first caller, highlight that call and select the Resume soft key. When you are through with your calls, there are many ways to end it. If you were using the handset, simply replace it back on the cradle. If you were in speakerphone mode, you can press the speakerphone button. If you were using your headset, you can press the headset button. You will see the End Call soft key anytime you are on an active call. You can choose this soft key regardless of which calling mode you are using, and it will terminate the call. This concludes our video on calling basics.